Portugal has many different steaks. Is this one the best? Traditionally named Portuguese steak, this dish is made with steak, eggs, potatoes, sauce, and prosciutto. These 5 components are the base of this dish. There are many variations, but my version, or at least I like to believe, it's the best version. And I will share it with you today. And let's find out how good this is. Let's cook. I will start by seasoning my steaks. Today I'll be using a ribeye steak. A lovely fatty cut, perfect to complement this sauce. But really, whatever cut you like the most, use that. And I will season them generously with salt and set them aside for 60 minutes. I like to season my meat in advance to season the inside of the meat pre-cooking. While the steak seasons, let's get all of our prep ready. I'll peel and thinly slice the potatoes and we'll do a thin cut to do matchstick potatoes. Or, if you are a chef, julienne cut. I simply call them matchstick potatoes. Rinse them to remove all the excess starch and dry them in a paper towel. I will measure all the seasonings for the sauce and read a magazine while I wait for the steak to be ready. Interesting. In a medium pan, I will put in some lard. I'm using Iberico pork lard, but you can use regular lard. It's just my preference. Or, if you have any trimmings of fat in your freezer, render it and use it. When it's hot, I add my sliced prosciutto and fry it until nice and crispy. This will add some texture and extra flavor to our final dish. And who doesn't love prosciutto? Yummy. This will also help flavor the fat, giving extra flavor to our steak. And steak goes in the pan. Steak with this thickness, I will fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, but I will flip the steak around every 30 seconds. I just think it makes for a better crust, and that's how I like to do it. I will let it rest while I do the sauce and garlics and let them fry for a minute on low heat. A little white wine to refresh the sauce and cook it for a minute. We want to release all the alcohol in the wine. Add a couple of bay leaves in, dark soy sauce, and stir to integrate. Add the mustard and mix everything well. Add the cream in and half the butter in small cubes. I found that in little cubes, it's easier to emulsify the sauce. Also a note, the butter is room temperature. It helps the process. Keep stirring the butter around. When it's well integrated, I'll add the rest of the butter and keep stirring until all the sauce is emulsified. This will make our sauce super creamy and delicious. To finish this sauce, I'll add the chili flakes, taste for seasoning and adjust for salt if needed, stir and drizzle with a little bit of lemon juice. Turn the heat off and let it sit. Time to fry our potatoes. Fill half a pot or a large pan with vegetable oil, and when hot, and by hot I mean 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit, drop our potatoes in. Fry them until they are nice and crispy. Keep moving them around the pot and remove them to dry. Keep an eye out so you don't burn them. Don't forget to season with salt as well as soon as you remove them. And what Portuguese steak does not have a fried egg with it? Well, some for sure, but not this one. Small pan with a little butter, and when hot, put the egg in. I don't like to add salt during the frying process. I prefer just to add in the end. And when the whites are set, remove the egg, season it, and now let's assemble our dish. Some fries on the side, the slice of prosciutto on the side, and drizzle the glossy sauce over it. Set it on the plate, placing the egg over. If you want to be cheeky, put some of the sauce in a little container and you can dip your fries straight into it. Don't tell anyone I told you that. Time to taste. Wow, it's unreal. The sauce is incredible, the steak is perfect, the prosciutto elevates the whole dish. The crispy potatoes, perfect, and the egg will add creaminess to it. Get a little bit of all together. And that is so good. Creamy with the egg yolk, crunchy from the potatoes. Wow. Salty, spicy. This is really, really good. You want to surprise your girlfriend? Make her this dish. I know, she's gonna complain, too many calories, but I'll tell you, you'll thank me later. And ladies, you want to make your man happy? Cook him this dish. He will be a happy man, I guarantee. And you can also thank me later. So simple, but at the same time, a lot is going on here. A lot of good things are going on here. Who doesn't love steak? Oh, probably vegans. Besides that, everybody loves steak. But have you tried coffee sauce with your steak? You haven't? But check this video out. And you will find a different, unique, but beautiful sauce to go with your steak. Try it. I'll see you there. Bye.